Aloha! Welcome to Holistic Mojo. I am Sahara Lee, and today we are making pina coladas. Now I know that you might be asking why we're making a summertime drink in the fall, but I live in Hawaii, so every day is pina colada day. Plus, I'm a property manager, and a couple guests ago left me pineapples and Bacardi rum. And not just a little thing of Bacardi rum, but like a huge thing of Bacardi rum. Costco size. So I chopped up that pineapple and I put it into a jar full of rum. And it's been sitting for 2 weeks now. That is so infused that the rum itself is now yellow and very delicious. So that's why we're making pina coladas today. And since this is Holistic Mojo, we're not going to make just any pina colada. We're not going to make one that's full of sugar and artificial flavors and all that jazz that's going to leave you with a massive hangover tomorrow. We're going to make some legit holistic shit. So get ready. All right, so things you're going to need. Some infused rum. You're just going to take a pineapple, chop it up, put it in a jar, fill that jar to the top with rum, and then set it and forget it for about 2 weeks in your cabinet. Once that's done, the rest of your ingredients are going to be a little bit of coconut milk, and really that's it. You're going to need a glass, ice, a shot glass, and a blender. Now, again, it's Holistic Mojo, so we don't have any fake shit on this thing. I want to show you guys my shot glass. This is my grandfather's. It's from like the 50s, and it is the cutest thing. We've got 0 ounces for mice, 1 ounce for insolent pups, 2 ounces for hepcats, 3 ounces for wolves, and then the last one is 4 ounces for social lions. This is my life, pretty much. I don't know what I'd do without this thing. So we're gonna use this to make some magic today. All right, so what you're gonna do, grab your glass. I like to fill it full of ice, just about to the top, but not super full because you're actually gonna make a little bit more excess than what you need. So we've got our glass of ice. Into the blender it goes. We take 1 ounce of coconut cream. Into the blender. Now I want to make sure I get all of that coconut cream, which is why I do it first, so that I can pour the rum in second and make sure I get all that deliciousness out of there. Now we're only using 2 ounces of infused rum, which seems like not that much, except that we're going to be using the pineapple from in here, which has been infusing in rum for 2 weeks. So it is pretty potent on its own. We don't really need to knock ourselves on our asses right off the bat. So we swirl that around to make sure we get all the coconut cream. Into the blender it goes. If you like your drinks a little more sweet, this is really not going to be sweet at all. It's going to be only as sweet as the pineapple is. So if you want a little more sweetness, you can add a tablespoon or a teaspoon, but I wouldn't say any more than a tablespoon of maple syrup to this. And now I'm going to grab a spoon, grab your pineapple, and I'm just going to spoon out a little over half of a glass size of pineapple. So all of our measurements are really based today off of 1 glass. So you can do this just like on a Tuesday afternoon when the kids are asleep and you just need a little mental health moment. So I make all of these recipes just based upon like 1 person, because I'm 1 person, 1 fabulous person. All right, so in it goes. And that's it. Cap it, blend it. So just as a quick recap, we've got a cup of ice, we've got 1 ounce of coconut cream, 2 ounces of infused white rum, a little over half of your cup of pineapple, and a little maple syrup if you'd like it. To the blender we go. All right, let's test it out. So that's an all natural yellow tint to your pina colada. And that is so good. Like I said, makes a little bit more than just your cup, about 1.5. So you can toss this in the freezer, save it for later, or save it for 10 minutes from now when you finish the one that you've already started. All right, hope you enjoyed. Cheers to your health. Aloha.